Hello guys, once again welcome to the Secure Academia. If you've not subscribed to this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button so you can get notifications on our subsequent videos. Okay, so today we'll be looking at resistor color codes. All right, so of course resistors are actually instruments, are devices that controls the flow of electric current in a circuit. Those are resistors, and we have fixed and variable resistors. Now the resistor color codes are actually used to determine the resistance of a fixed resistor. Okay, generally the ohmmeter is used to calculate the resistance. It's a device that helps in calculating the resistance of the resistor. But for resistors that has fixed resistance, we use resistor color codes. All right. So let us look at the resistor color codes, their digits and their tolerance values. All right. So we will say color, digits, and tolerance. All right. Color, digit, and tolerance. So we have the first color black, the second brown, then we have red, we have orange, we have yellow, we have green, we have blue, we have violet, we have gray, we have white, we have gold, and we have silver. All right, so these are the the resistor color codes. So these are the colors for the resistor color codes. All right, so the next thing we'll be looking at are the digits. So black is 0, brown is 1, red is 2, orange is 3, yellow is 4, green is 5, blue 6, violet 7, gray 8, white 9. Then gold and silver do not have digits, they only have tolerance values. All right, they only have tolerance values. So other colors have tolerance values also, but black as well and white do not have tolerance values. So for black do not have no tolerance, no tolerance. Brown is plus or minus 1%, red plus or minus 2%, orange plus or minus 3%, yellow plus or minus 4%, green plus or minus 0.5%, blue plus or minus 0.25%, okay, violet plus or minus 0.1%, gray plus or minus 0.05%, white no tolerance, okay, then gold is plus or minus 5%, while silver is plus or minus 10%. All right, so these are the tolerance values. Okay, they're tolerance values. These are of course the digits. All right, so this is the representation of resistor color codes. Okay, so quickly we'll be looking at how to actually get the resistance value of a particular resistor when we are given the color. Now one thing you need to know is that resistors are actually represented in bands, color bands. So you see a resistor, it has colors on it. So it is from those colors that you'll be able to know the resistance using resistor color codes. All right, so now let's clean these parts. All right, let's clean this part and solve an exercise. All right, so now let's solve this. So now determine the resistance of a fixed resistor with the following band with the following band. All right, so this is how it looks like. All right, so now let us say we have band 1, band 2, band 3, and band 4. Now these are colors. All right, so now let's take this to be red, let's take this to be blue, let's take this to be black, and let's take the last color to be gold. All right, Now, one thing you need to understand is this. I would explain. All right. When it comes to resistor color bands like this, one thing you need to understand is that the first band is the first digit. Second band is the second digit. Okay. The third band is called the multiplier. Why band 4, the fourth band is called the tolerance. It's called the tolerance. Okay, so if you have a 4 band resistor, the first band is the first digit, second band, second digit, third band multiplier, then fourth band tolerance. If it is a 3 band resistor, first band, first digit, second band multiplier, all right, then third band tolerance. So basically, the second to last band is always the multiplier. The last band is always the tolerance. If it is a 5 band resistor, all right, the first band will be the first digit, second band, second digit, third band, third digit, fourth band, multiplier. Then last band will be tolerance. That's how it is. All right, so let's do justice to this. All right, let's do justice to this. So basically, for this one, red has the digits. If you look at it, red is 2. So this will be equal to 2. Blue is 6. All right, blue is 6. So you say 26. So it's not 2 plus 6 is 2 and 6. 2 and 6, 26. Then multiplier black. Black is 0. So you say 10 times 10 raised to power 0. This is what we mean by multiplier. Okay, when we say multiply, this is what we mean. So times 10 raised to power 0 plus or minus. The last band is gold and gold is 5%. All right, so it means that 26 times 10 raised to power 0, anything raised to power 0 is 1. So this is same thing as saying 26 times 1 plus or minus 5%. All right, so your final answer is equal to 26 ohms plus or minus 5%. This is your answer. So this is the resistance R. Okay, using resistor color code is very simple. All right. So basically, this is the understanding of resistor color codes. So once you have the codes, okay, once you have the code offhand, okay, then it will be very easy for you. I usually give my students this acronym to remember the codes. I always say black boys raised our yellow girls, but violet goes white. It sounds funny, right? And somehow unrealistic, but if this can help you to remember, it will be realistic. All right, black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, and white. Then of course the other ones are just gold and silver that you always remember. So gold and of course gold and silver. But these are the main ones. These are the main colors. All right, these are the main colors. Gold and silver are only tolerance values. Okay, so it's very important to take cognizance of this. So this is the basic understanding of resistor color codes. We'll just look at one more example and that will be it. Okay, so now let's change these colors. All right, let's change these colors. Still this, but let's change the colors. All right, let's say that it's still a 4 band. Then let's say this is green. Okay, then this is gray. Okay, then this is orange. Okay, and this is brown. The last one is brown. So what will be the resistance value? I want you to try it out, so you can pause the video and try it. All right, but let's do it now together. Okay, so green, black boys raised are 0 1 2 3 4 5. 0 1 2 3 4 5. So it means that green is 5, 6, 7, 8. Gray is 8. Orange is 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. Orange is 3. And orange will now serve as the multiplier. So this will be times 10 raised to power 3. Brown has a tolerance value of 1%. Remember, it's black that do not have tolerance. So this is plus or minus 1%. All right, so this will be 58 times 10 raised to power 3 is the same thing as 58 kilo. So this will be 58 kilo ohms plus or minus 1%. This is your resistance. That's your resistance. Okay, so this is a breakdown or maybe an overview of what resistor color codes are. So if you found this video interesting, do well to subscribe. Don't forget, so you can get notifications of the subsequent videos. You can also comment if you have any question. You can share this video so it can be beneficial to others. Thank you.